everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. Today I've come to a public park in Tunbridge Wells. It's called Dunollen. It's quite a manicured park down there. It was the landscape grounds of a long since demolished Victorian mansion. It's now owned and run by the local authority, I believe. Anyway, I've come here today. The wife's gone off and she's dropped me off, so I'm here for the day. Or best part of it anyway. Now, I've literally just come out of the car park where she dropped me off, doing a walk through to camera, and there, sitting at the side, is something I've never seen before, ever. And it looks like a juvenile spotted flycatcher. Absolutely stoked. Not the best images in the world, but they're the first images I've ever got of a spotted flycatcher. First time I've ever seen one, so I'm more than happy. If the day continues like this, well, anyway, let's go and see what else I can find. Right, I'm working my way up this hedgerow, because that's the more wild area, which obviously is going to be preferable for small birds and that. I've already got a couple of clips, some shots of a pied wagtail in a tree, surprisingly enough. Surprised to me anyway. Normally see them on the ground. And a song thrush. So, yeah, not in the league of the spotted flycatcher, I have to say, but very pleased. Now I'm told there's kingfishers here, or a kingfisher pops up time to time, and a couple of herons, grey herons. Now, if you've seen my videos before, you know I love a heron. Anyway, I'm nearly at the top here, and I'm going to walk down towards the lake. Right, I'm headed down to the lake now. I've had images of water rails before, but I think my composition lets me down sometimes. I mean, with this walkabout photography, I think it's very much, you know, you get what you get. You can't always get a better angle on a shot. I mean, for instance, the spotted flycatcher, it was there for a matter of seconds, gone. Not the cleanest shot by any stretch of the imagination, but it was what it was. So, but I'm going to try and get some better composition on some images of a water rail. I can see that there's some moorhens as well, and some coots, looks like. So, might try and get some pictures of them as well. If the heron pops up, kingfisher obviously would be magic, but we'll see. Let's go and have a look. Well, I've got a few shots down by the lake there. No sign of the kingfisher, of course. And according to a couple of the local regular dog walkers, they haven't seen it for a while either. The heron apparently is around, although obviously not today, because I'm here. But I didn't see any coots. I thought I did, but I've got more hens, I've got water rails. Yeah, I've got some nice shots of water rails, and more hens come to that. Right, I think I've earned a bit of lunch. I've something to eat and a drink, and I thought while I'm doing that I'm going to play you some shots that I've taken from various places around the park this morning, and just to show you the beauty of this place. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you later. Unexpected bonus. I just got a few shots and a bit of video of a couple of goldfinches. Well, they were foraging for nesting material or something, or probably to reinforce the nest this time of year. But yeah, bonus. Well, a nice walk around the other side of the lake, and I've just got some shots of a missile thrush and another pied wagtail on the ground where I'd normally expect to find it. But yes, still no sign of the heron, and certainly no sign of the kingfisher. But I should keep walking. Well, I think time's getting on. My wife should be back soon to pick me up. So I think I'm going to have to call it a day, folks. I have to say, I've really enjoyed today. The wildlife has been a little bit too easy at times, but I have really enjoyed it. It's an eye-opener, and I'll definitely be back. And like I said before, I will definitely check out some other local parks to see. But obviously my first love is, you know, out in the wild countryside. But the opportunity was here today, so I took it, and I'm glad I did. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe out there.